Hi there and welcome to the channel. My original intent was to go through all of the different mods that I was going to do, but I've got a bit of a problem, and that is that the front end of this bike, there's a lot going on and they're all kind of interrelated. So I'm probably just going to do one big long build video and piece together some of the bits and pieces, different footage from the different things that I'll be doing. So as you can see, I've got a GPS mount to go on, I've got new lights to go on, I have the dash and some switches to finish off, I've got the handguards, mirrors to go on, I've got the motor-minded super mount that kind of goes in conjunction with the Baja lights. I've got some heated grips, a new throttle tube and a windscreen. So there is a lot of activity that has got to happen to the front of this bike. So yes, so this video will probably be a whole bunch of little bits and pieces put together as I work through fitting out the front of my 500.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
pieced it all together. We've got, let me grab this camera. What we have is the highway dirt bike guards with the fold out mirrors. Big fold out mirrors. So that's a neat little solution, that one. Folds back in when you're on the trail. So we've got the new hand grips with the heated grips. That's the heated grip switch there, low and high. We've got the neat little dash unit which goes with the highway dirt bike's bar mount. So the top mount replaces your normal top clamps for your bars. Onto that bolts a little dash. This one I have made up to suit my switches. This is just carved out of a piece of that Lexan. This is what comes with it. This is what I bought, but there's different configurations depending on your needs. On my dash I've got the 12 volt cigarette lighter socket. I've got my heated hand grips switch, high and low, and I've relocated the indicator flasher. Also, so what else have we got? We've got more mirrors over here. We've got the LED indicator, strip indicators on the front there, which should look pretty slick once I get the fairing on, the light. So, and the super mount. So the super mount is this bracket in behind here. That super mount gives the headlight a really hard mount to bolt onto. So I've done all the wiring, and now I will put the light on and see how she looks. This is just to give you a shot of that hard mount for the headlight mask. Oh dear. There it is. Frazzled. Oh well, it's have to redo the plug. We've had a rebuild. So we've got new LED strip indicators this time. We'll start it and we'll see what happens. Hopefully no smoke. Just a little postscript on what happened with these lights. They basically shorted themselves out onto the handguards, and if you see right there, the two little patches there, the heat shrink on these ones didn't cover up the end of the LED strip. And so the positive, I guess, shorted itself out. And that was that. So, something to be aware of.